the goal was, like, I was trying to pipe like a grassy top and put the pumpkins in. The green is actually a bit more teal, which is fine. It's just interesting how some colors merge. And then there's the inside. Can you see the orange in the green swirl? Yeah, me neither. It was very fluid, and apparently very fluid is, I mean, the fragrance should discolor, so I'm hoping that the light wispy swirls will show up a bit more once it darkens up. If it darkens up, because there isn't fragrance in the color portion. But yeah, this has been a fun learning experiment with this slab mold. So cool. What kind of sucks with the lack of swirl, we'll see how the other, so I have a couple, so half the loaf has the pumpkin and the other half is pumpkin free. Again, part of this is so I can do different pricing for my events versus online, because it's harder to sell the more expensive bars online, I mean in person. And the pumpkins, obviously, with the soap dough that they take up and the time, it's I can't, it's hard. I do at times, but it hurts me to sell them at a lower price because of the time and effort. Like, I'm just working for free sometimes, it feels like. So I don't like that lack of swirl, not the end of the world with the one with the pumpkin in it. That lack of swirl without the pumpkin in bed, I guess we'll see. So, I mean, it's cute. I like this. It's just, where's the color swirl? It's just not there. Oh. Well, let me clean this off and then I'll cut the other one. Well, that's not bad. So that's a little better. There's the pumpkin. Like, I must have got more color in this part of the loaf. Because there's definitely more swirls. So I'm curious to see what the last loaf, there's three, this split into 3 logs. But that's cool. So I wonder if I just really got not enough color on the other side. Which, when I think back to how I was pouring it, I can definitely see that.